Bubba, you want to ride your bike? Whoa. Hey, watch out. Yeah, that's a car. What color car?
Red.
That's not red. That's white.
Black.
Yeah.
Black.
Hey, do you want to go real fast?
Black.
Real fast.
Beep, beep.
Watch out.
Car.
Yeah, watch out for that car.
Car. Beep.
You like to ride your bike?
Cut.
Yeah, watch out for that truck. Watch out for that truck, Bubba.
Cut.
Yeah, trucks.
Ah.
And the car. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go real fast? Whoa.
Black. Black.
Yeah, real fast.
Cut. Wow.
Yeah, the flowers are right up here. You know where they're at.
Wow.
You know you're pedaling real fast?
Wow.
You want to see the flowers? Watch out.
Black.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yep, those are flowers.
Red.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep, that's the red flowers. Your favorite.
Red. Wow.
Yep. And there's more white flowers.
What?
Where are the rocks?
What?
Big boy. Hey, what about the trees?
Trees.
Yep, that's the trees.
Car.
All right, Bubba.
Car.
Yeah, that's a car.
Car.
Hey, Bubba, we need to turn. You're gonna have to turn. Big boy. Watch out. 2 hands. Put both your hands. No, put both your hands on there. No. Hold those handles. Yeah, I know. Big boy. You want to go fast? Oh, Bubba. You gotta hold on. Does that itch? There we go. Hold on. We're gonna go real fast.